Hi guys, my name is Jen of Genuinely Happy on YouTube, and today I'm here at Kitchen Playground Manila. Playground Manila. We did this because we both have a strong connection with the kitchen and food. And I had my own catering business before, and Christine was dabbling into selling other food products.
So we're both in the food industry.
We're both in the food industry. So we thought of coming up with this business together because we wanted to share our passion for food, and we wanted a space that would be welcoming, that would be non-intimidating, and that would be very educational because it's practical. Kumbaga parang
practical workshops.
Practical workshops. Because I used to work from Farming Philippines, and we did a lot of cooking demos, and I worked with a lot of chefs who also did cooking demos. And I noticed that every time we do cooking demos, the ones who watch are gusto nilang matuto. Kaya lang, parang feeling ko, mas gusto nila if hands-on, very hands-on yung gagawin. Yes. Para maaalala nila. That's how I learned.
So that's also what differentiates us from everyone. So we're not just your regular cooking class.
Yeah.
No one is also born a great cook, diba? So parang we believe that everybody, after the end of the day, after the class, will be able to proudly say, wow, nakaluto ako in the playground. We have two coming in, and this is the kitchen studio that's available for rental.
So, commissary kitchen.
Commissary kitchen, sorry.
We also have catering services, and we also deliver food trays for yung mga 50 to 20 packs. So this is where we cook. So this is our workstation. Right now, our chef assistants are actually preparing all the ingredients that you will need. So Ganda lang siya.
Kitchen tour.
This is the
yan yung lulutuin na lahat mamaya. So tinatawag namin yan. I-prepare na namin.
And then this is where we usually cook everything when we do catering.
So this is available for rent kung wala kayong kitchen.
Actually, gusto kong mag-attend talaga ng cooking class, and it's very perfect na merong ganitong class, and I'm really excited na mag-attend dito. So I'll show you the process later on and yung mga lulutuin naming Asian-inspired dishes.
Nag-start ako sa mga culinary since yun yung madalas kong ginagamit for my cooking as a work. And then, nag-expand ako ng pakunti-kunti, no? Originally talaga puro culinary groups. And then, nagdagdag ako ng mga citrus fruits, no? Meron akong mandarin sa bahay, dayap, meron akong ngayon Dr. Lime, meron akong American lemon, yung common lemon natin. I have calamansi, I have lots of calamansi sa bahay. Hindi ko na dinala kasi medyo boozy na sarap.
Noble of Vietnamese Spring Rolls, fish curry, lemongrass chicken, Cuban pork.
We actually have two.
actually calling it a day. After 6 hours of non-stop cooking, I feel like a master chef. Yes, parang master chef na ako. Pwede na rin akong gumawa ng YouTube videos. Yes, na cooking show. So I think it's something that you should try with your friends, if you're with your significant other, or if you just would like to learn cooking in general. We have actually learned Asian-inspired cuisines today, so around 4 dishes. So I feel so proud of myself kasi ang kadalasan na naluluto ko lang sa bahay is like Filipino dishes, but now ang dami naming naluto na something that you would order sa fine dining restaurant. I think ito yung isa sa mga kailangan yung gawin when in Manila. Must try. So invite po yung viewers natin na dito sa Kitchen Playground.
We're inviting everyone to please join us with our workshops every Saturdays here at the Kitchen Playground Manila. We're here along Industrial Valley Subdivision, Major Reason Street. Madali po kami mahanap. It's a casual, very casual looking workshop for everyone. Not intimidating, I hope.
Yes.
Not intimidating, and so much fun. So check out our calendar of events at the Kitchen Playground Manila on Facebook and also TKP Manila on Instagram. Thank you. Thank you.
And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to hit like if you like this video and subscribe and comment below kung ano yung pinaka-gusto nyo nakita dito sa event na to. Thank you so much for watching and bye for now.